I don't know. You guys can't hear me? Nobody can hear me, huh? Hello? Really? Cool. So much fun. Oh, not cool. Okay, let's see if my mic works now.
There you go. Now we hear you.
Yay. Technology. I'll get it figured out one day.
Good luck with that. How about that game last night, huh?
That was a good
Wow.
game. I expected Indiana to make it a little bit more of a butt stomping, but
Very
pretty good.
impressed with Miami. They held in there.
Yeah.
Actually had a chance to win,
Yeah.
which I didn't think was the case.
I'll tell you what. There were some moments where if Indiana had finished, they would have gotten it away from Miami pretty fast and easy.
Yeah. Yeah.
First
I
half,
mean, oh,
Indiana didn't
hey,
play like.
no, they held them. They pretty much. It was. I mean, listen. All in all, it was a great game,
Oh yeah,
regardless
this
of
is definitely worth
regardless
punching a
of who you
ticket
were.
for. Yeah.
Exactly. I was gonna say that was a. You got your money's worth.
Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh, we dropped it. Came out of that little space.
Yeah, I'd seen that.
It's still within that
And a
daily
little.
up, I guess, channel, if you will. Still within that
Yeah,
just
overall still up.
natural pullback type of thing. So I don't think we were too worried about whether we're taking longs or shorts today. Obviously, the bigger trend is down, but I want to try to figure out how to take this short, but that's not probably not the not in the not in the plan right now. Same for the NQ, I think here. Don't know if we need that little box anymore. Finally out of it.
The gap. We still haven't got to close the gap from yesterday, have we?
Hmm.
No.
No.
Where is it? There it is, right there.
Nope. Little run up yesterday for it. So yeah, I'm comfortable taking the next trade. Looks like we just missed it. 6E.
Ah, the old 6E. Let's see what's
Oh,
going on.
6E. That would have been a good one too. That was a perfect setup there from a level out. All right, I will take the short though. Yeah, totally take a short on the 6E from up here. Okay, so I know what accounts I'm putting that on. Get up there and give me a good short today. R2Y. That's probably a two-way play as well. Yeah, I think that'd be a two-way play, so we'll be good there. Obviously, slight down bias. Still thinking two ways here on R2Y today. I don't think we
Goals
can
look
get much
long.
more, huh?
Goals look like you're looking for the long.
I same on gold though. It's pushed up to those highs
Yeah,
there.
it's up there.
It's hard to say if we're gonna have. I would. Oof, I think I'll take either
I
trade that
mean,
comes along if it sets up good.
if it comes up here and yeah, but this previous high and fails, that'd be a nice little short.
And again, more long opportunity here on CL if we get a pullback.
Yeah.
Actually, I think I'd be comfortable looking at CL both ways as well. Again, with a good setup. Got this
Oh damn! Forgot
kind of in the
my.
middle here on the daily. So I
Hold on.
think you can be good
Give me
with that.
one.
What's that?
Give me 1 second. Let me grab this real quick. Huh.
So this is setting up for a short here on CL. I don't know my account set up right yet. Let me go to my account to get him on. So that's a short. Anybody want to look at the CL for that? That'd be under this little ledge right here that's being formed. Put a sell stop in. Don't quite have my account set up, or I probably would do that. A little slow start for me this morning. Poor me.
All right. Sorry about that. My daughter. Anytime my daughter calls this early, I'm like, okay, what's up?
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Yeah. What do you want? It's either you want something, either you want money, or something's wrong. All right. What time we got? A few more minutes. I didn't make any coffee this morning.
There's a good setup starting to form on CL. I just don't have my accounts ready to go. I don't think I'd take the GC where it's at.
Yeah, that's actually not a bad little short right there, is it?
I think
Down
yeah, I
below
think it
that
might be.
wick.
Yeah.
Maybe down below the wick, right?
If it pushes back down,
59.97.
let me see here. Oh shoot. Yeah, I gotta restart my platform. But
Uh-oh.
if it
Yeah, you better
finishes
do it
up,
now.
hmm, I don't know, I'm having all kinds of issues. A
If it
change.
finishes up, you mean if it finishes down, right?
If it finishes down, yeah. So that you're getting it. It's this turned into a really nice CL setup on the short side, and I can't get into it because I got to restart. But I would put a sell stop in below that first wick, the first candle that stopped in that area. I'd put it below that wick. And in the meantime, enjoy some seal action. The memo, formerly known as. Are they memo? Matt Silver memos, yeah, right?
Yes, I think so. No, you're asking the wrong person about that.
I heard they taste like crap. Sharks love them, though.
Oof, it's early for that.
What? What? I do.
That's
I
fine.
heard that seals taste like crap.
I can imagine. I bet they do taste like crap. Look at that seal.
Sitting there just waiting for a shark to eat it.
Pretty much. Oblivious to the world, and then you know, boom, your lunch.
Boof.
All right, well, that didn't pan out.
What?
CO.
Uh-uh. Did it go down? Did it
Yeah, no, it's up. It's going up.
Oh, it didn't. Shouldn't have put you in a trade, right?
I did not.
Oh, good. See? Big tick chart. Keep you out of the bad trades.
4 more minutes. See what happens.
So I have two lines. I have two lines that I'm gonna have you guess the song.
What is this? Name that tune?
Yeah, it's gonna be at some point.
Oh, whoa. It is with these colors.
So I get myself rocking and rolling here before this open. Oof. Come on there. I got sync.
There we go.
Don't think we're gonna have too much action today, but we'll see. Yeah, that just popped right out of there.
Yeah, it took off. Would have been a nice little breakout long.
Well, I
Should
mean,
have, would
we've
have.
we've been saying that for a while. If anytime you see something like this on a big tick chart and it fails to make the short or the long take the opposite trade, and it usually will work to at least get targets. All right. ES garbage right now. NQ garbage.
Yeah, everything's kind of in no man's
RTY
land.
garbage.
Wait for the open, see what happens.
CC's getting some swings, but don't really have a setup right now. 6E needs to go up to get the short. And CL's the only thing we might have a chance on earlier.
Now, I would entertain a setup on GC short if it comes up a little higher and then fails.
Yeah, a little double top.
Little double top here. Yeah.
Okay, I'll entertain that with your money.
There we go.
I gotta make sure my stuff's set up though. Oy, oy, oy. Not ready to go yet. And yeah, there's your breakout on CL, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. That would have been a nice one too at that.
All right, let's see. What? All right.
Here we go. Showtime. Go
Got my
showtime.
charts all set up just in time to see this take off to the upside. I'll just blast this whole dang thing off, huh?
Yeah. Looks that way, doesn't it?
Sure does.
There was your cold short. I missed it.
There's your ES starting to set up a short. Not gonna touch it with this kind of price action there, or the gold
No.
with this kind of price action.
Oh, the gold was actually pretty decent.
Yeah, I guess it
Wow,
was.
that was a good short. This was
It's a little
exactly what I was
fast right now for
wanting.
me.
Yeah, it was fast. No doubt about it. I mean, I'm okay passing on it, but definitely
We got a breakout
liked
to
what I
the
saw.
breakout coming here on the NQES. I mean, it is a short setting up, but I don't think I want to take it. I think it's there's too much buying pressure right
I'd
now.
hold off right now. Yeah,
Too much buying pressure.
let this air out here.
They're trying to, as a matter of fact, the short would have worked out though. That would have been a decent little short.
Yep.
Just too much buying pressure. Both NQ ES hover around 89 on the smaller tick chart and a bigger tick chart. You might actually be seeing a buy on a smaller tick chart level. Nope, not touching it. Nope, Not when those candles jump out of the blue like that, out of nowhere. I'm not going to do it. What do you think?
I saw.
Just sit on the sidelines? Did you see what I
Yeah.
saw? I mean, like the
No, I saw
candle.
exactly what you saw.
Okay. When the candle jumps out of blue, like it runs through that many ticks that fast? No, not too. That's too. When you're running through 2,000 trades in a matter of a second, half a second, millisecond, that's you don't know where this market's gonna go. It's,
No, gotta be patient now.
RTY is setting up for a short, but it's still
Uh,
yeah. And
yeah.
CL setting up for the short, but I don't know if I trust this market that much, Paul. I mean, would have to take the CL short. I might take one shot at it because if it does break down here, it should run past. Let's see, that low right there is 26. Let me put that there and think about this for a second. Make sure this is my CL. Yeah, that's not. It's gonna go up.
Oh, look at that CL. Keep going up.
Going.
RTY would have worked.
Yeah,
It's hard to
that,
take
that
it,
did
but it
set
would
up.
have worked.
I looked at the RTY and I was just like, I don't know. Why is this not? Yes, might give you a long here. It looks like it's trying to.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like you missed the NQ. I think that's probably the long on the ES there.
Yeah. There's a long one. Yes. There it
Target's
goes.
off.
Woo!
Target's off.
They shot off, didn't
I
it?
couldn't. Yeah, I couldn't get my order. My freaking. I couldn't change the account I was on or get the order in
Oh,
fast enough. I just
good
barely
thing.
got into it,
Took it right as I
and I
got
was trying
in.
to change it so everybody could see what account I'm on here. Let me see. I was trying to let everybody see what I was on, and it's gonna take my stop before I can change the account. Ah, come on, which account are you on? There you go. That was
All
fast.
right, what do we got?
There's not much I could do about that one. That was just fast.
No, that was literally as I hit it. Took it.
Target was off like 2 seconds
Yeah.
after I put the order. I couldn't even change accounts or anything. I just had to take it. Just had to take it. All right, that's 21 minutes in. Yes, long.
Oh, look at this thing. Just go, baby.
It's the only one I can get.
I had the wrong
A couple
freaking
more ticks
ATM
up.
on it.
We're like off the races on that one.
Yeah.
Gotta get. Let's see. What's today's date? I think we go a couple more. You're in this long, right?
My
Did you get
ATM
with it?
got taken. I
Oh,
didn't have the right ATM on it. It took both my targets
I am pull
instantly.
my stop up a little bit. It's gonna take it. I should pull it up tighter than that. All right, sit on the sidelines now. Possibly. I don't know if I possibly entertain a double bottom long on the 6E.
6E.
I'd be interested in that.
Why is this thing changing on me? There we go.
I think and GC again, that CL, it did set up. I didn't have my sell stop in. Oh man, that's a miss.
Possible 6E.
Oops. CL miss on the sell stop. Sorry about that.
Tough though. Failed a couple
No,
of times going.
but I think I'd be more interested in this GC long.
Yeah, if the GC sets up.
It was a decent little short setup on ES, but I think I'd prefer the long. I know the long is happening, but price action says, yeah. I'm going to entertain this GC long here.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's worth taking a shot on.
Looks like it.
If it breaks
I agree
above
with you.
this, I'm gonna put a buy stop in. If that breaks up, that should run. I'll keep it on short leash though. Let's see the high already. It'd be cool if that candle finished and I got a new candle starting right beside it. That'd be pretty darn cool. All right, go now. Get my target. There we go.
Okay. Beautiful.
Beaut.
Nice little
Beaut.
GC trade, baby. Go
It's
now,
a
run.
beaut.
Now get your ass all the way back up to the
25.
top. Go back up there.
25.
Make this a day done trade.
Yeah, that'd be nice. That'd be pretty sweet. Now we gotta go up a couple ticks on stop.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'm locking in some profit. I'm not gonna give it a lot of room. Come back on me. Go, baby. Let me take a look around elsewhere. G6E is setting up.
I know. Move my target on this GC. Let's go up a couple more ticks here, I guess, on the stop. And then think about where we could end up. I think that target's pretty good right there, huh? That's not a bad.
Yeah, that's a good
probably
place
what we
for
should
it.
be targeting.
Yeah, right.
Maybe a
Top,
little
yeah.
bit lower. Maybe I can back in this little congestion area here. That'd be a decent little target right there. I'm gonna go up a couple more ticks here and leave my stop. And oh, I'm too tight. Back down just a tick or two. There we go. Let this candle finish up maybe, and then we can move it up a little bit more, maybe under this one. That low is 40.8, so 40.7 is probably a better stop. See where the candle finishes. All right, RTY short possibly? No. Oh, come on, GC. You can do it. You can do it, GC. But we kind of have to have a 39.4. Smaller tick chart says 39.4 is the stop, but I can't keep it that loose. 40 point, yeah, we got to be at 40 point. Never mind, I'm gone now. It's one tick left. New candle. We can come up here under this and save ourselves some ticks from that pushback because it's coming back on me. Stay up there. There we go. Nice little GC trade. Nice. Good little GC trade. This is a good little GC trade. Good. That's a good little GC trade. All right, now we might actually get a decent long on the ES and NQ here too.
Oh crap! Tell me I wasn't talking on mute.
I'm pretty
I'm
sure
still
you were.
screaming RTY short, RTY short.
I said RTY short too, but I wasn't
I
calling
know.
it.
I took it. I got target off. I don't think I'm gonna get anything else. All right.
It's gonna be a nice little RTY short too.
Mm-hmm. I came back and got my target, my stop.
Did
I might have moved
you
a little too tight on
yeah,
that
you
first
was
target.
definitely too tight.
Yeah. Well, I got in a little late. But yeah, it's gonna turn out. It's gonna work out.
Yes, that's great. Yeah,
Gonna
because it
work
should have
out.
been probably like at 62.8.
Yeah. I was below the pivot.
Yeah,
It
that's
bounced
just a
back up there and
little
took me.
tight there. A little tight stop.
Well, I kind of wanted to see it hold below the pivot. So that's all right. That's all right.
You'll get the long's going to come out of this, so
That's true.
yeah, I'll take the long when it gets down here. Get the CL down here a little bit lower, and I'll take that long too.
Yeah,
Even though it's trying to set up
could come
now.
down to, yeah, CL.
Look at that. Look at that candle in RTY. It's like, nope. I'm gonna go all the way back up here and take everybody's stop anyway.
Whoa, look at that thing. Holy smokes. Right back up to the pivot.
Trying to find
Can't
something I want
touch
to take
that.
action on now, but there's not really anything I want to take
Yeah,
action on based on this price
NQ and
action.
ES. I'm staying away from the NQ and the ES.
Yeah, I don't look
Oh,
like it doesn't look like I really want to see, and I can't take the long on the 6E. I can't. I mean, I guess I could look at it from down here.
and RTY just come back, take off. CL setting up maybe for a long. Didn't quite pull back far enough for me,
I
but
I wanted to see that a little bit longer, but that's what I'm saying. It's kind of setting up for the long. Wanted to see it go a little bit lower. Let's see what happens with this candle. I mean, I'd put a buy stop in. I got no problem with putting a buy stop in there with the wicks down here. I mean, it's definitely a level. Do I want it? Do I want it? Yes or no? I want it lower. I want it to be lower than that.
I kind of want it a little bit lower.
Yeah.
I'm
Even
gonna.
though the wick kind of went down to where I wanted it, I think I'd like to see something down here. Come back just a little bit lower. Like even if it just came down on one candle and wicked out of there, I'd be a buyer. You know what I'm saying? Like if one
Yeah.
candle pushed down and there was only a wick in here and it was like maybe like a on a smaller tick chart, inverse head and shoulders. I'd take the inverse head and shoulders on it. I mean, DC's setting up for inverse head and shoulders on some bigger tick chart right now. That technically is going to end up being a breakout on the long if it happens. It does look like CL is going to try to push down for us.
Oh, we'll catch it when it goes down. Give me a second. Give me 1 second.
Okay. I'll rotate to a different account. Let's see. I'm gonna put this on change accounts now. Let's see. Put that on. Which one was it? Oh, yeah. This one. Put on that account. Let's see if we can entertain a long on the ES. And we'll try to get both of them, I think. Both of them. I'm going to try to get both of them. If it sets up right. It's not going to set up right for me, is it? If it breaks out of these wicks, that's long, but I can't take it right there.
I don't know what I missed. Sorry, I was on. Had to grab that phone.
Missed nothing. GC
Nothing?
breaking
Okay.
out of this little structure right here for that breakout long. And this ES is going to come down a little bit lower and give us a decent little long here. Looks like. So I'm gonna try to get the GS. I'm gonna try to get the ES and Q at the same time for that long happens. That's about it.
It's cold. Chilly this
I
morning.
know it's like 59 degrees here.
Oh yeah, it's horrible.
It got down in the 40s last night or that? I can't remember.
It's horrible.
It's sorry, it's 60 something. Oh no, it's 54. My bad. It'll get up to 66 today. That's what it's gonna do. And it's gonna have a low of 54. There we go. We're at the low of the day. The ES just didn't quite set up the way I wanted it set up. This is gonna be one of those second chance trades, but your entry still is this weird top of this wick. I can't do that on the ES. I'd have
That's
to
a
switch to
big. Yeah,
yeah.
that's a.
I mean, we are that. It is still trending up ever so slightly, but I don't like this area. I don't like it. I'm gonna stay away from it. I don't like it. Let's see.
Again, I'm not getting 2000.
Not getting what?
Yes, my tick chart looks different than yours. I don't know why it does that.
Didn't you fix
It's
it
got to
last
be
week?
all I did was disconnect and reconnect to a different data. It's got to be a data thing.
Oh yeah, it totally is.
Well, let me just disconnect everything and start over. Disconnect. Reconnect.
Whoa, hold on a second. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 people we need to get in. I just realized that.
Uh-oh. Where do you see that? I don't know.
Can you, Gray, can you try to help with that?
Helps out. Where's Yeti this morning? He around?
Yeah.
There he is. There he is.
Option. Oh yeah, 98. What? Kevin?
Let some freaking
Supreme
people
Court
in.
tariff thing. Wait,
What happened?
is Gray around?
Possible Supreme Court tariff
Yeah.
opinion. 9 a.m.
There's a few people that signed up. We got a few people to sign up, and
9 a.m. Eastern. Hell, we already passed that.
why do I
All
have
right.
Lilu now
back
on
in.
my? Why is Lilu part of my Discord now?
I have no idea.
Why is it even on there? That's crazy. It's weird. It just showed up. Can I get rid of it?
You can. It's not gonna. I mean, was it just?
I don't know why it's there. I didn't click on anything.
Actually,
I don't know.
I was messing around trying to remember if we were gonna contact them, all the different accounts. I wonder if I did something. But how would it be in yours? But I didn't accept anything. I don't know. Coincidence, maybe.
Okay. Well, it says it.
I follow them. They're on my Discord, but I don't know if that has anything to do with it. No, shouldn't.
I need to
Still have
move
different
to.
tags, man.
Need to move to. So that's weird.
What's that?
Trying to move to, but it doesn't give the. It doesn't give the option of. I was trying to move one of the new people to the
Room?
live stream, but it just gives me the member hangout. I don't understand that.
God damn. They should get access, right?
Yeah, it should. It doesn't give the option to move the person to the. Let's see. We got somebody else too. Let's try this person. Rules. They. Okay.
Can you drag them down, Brian?
Yeah. I did
Drag
it.
them down.
I did it. I figured it out.
Yes, click on drag. They should be able to enter this room. Let me, I'll check their permissions and stuff.
So, yeah, I just checked it. They have the. I guess they're just not in the Discord right now. Is probably the thing.
Yeah, well, yeah, if they're on the right side of if they're not on the right side of your screen, if you have members list and show who's logged in and who's not.
Oh. Well, if you don't mind, check those three, and then
Yeah,
I
I'll
can
check
get
right
back to
now.
trading here. Sorry. Thank you.
Oh, shit.
Mistake. 10 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, so I thought there, buddy. Waiting for 10 a.m. Thank you, Yeti Trades.
10 a.m. That makes sense. I'll say
Yeah.
9. Past that.
No. I knew there was a tariff thing. That's why I thought it was gonna be kind of crazy this morning. What? I think we got a couple good trades so far. We'll just wait until after that. What do you think, Paul?
Pretty much.
Yeah. Opinion too. It's just opinion, And opinions are like what? Opinions.
Everybody
are
has
like,
one. A-holes.
All the new people are verified good, so
sweet.
when they log on, they should be able to see every room.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Let's see. Nothing. Still nothing. TY, nothing. Nothing across the board. That 6E didn't set up.
Huh?
No, I was looking at the.
Oh no.
Didn't.
I can't take the long on it now because it's just not doing it. There's no clean swing. There's nothing. This is gonna be it. It's probably gonna end up being a long. And the ES is gonna set up for a long, but I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna pass until after 10 now.
Yeah. We got to wait.
We only got a few minutes. Everybody's trying to anticipate the Supreme Court's opinion. Does it smell? The answer comes at 10.
I better go make some coffee before then, but I don't think I have enough time.
Why? You got 3 minutes.
And it takes longer to make it the way I do.
Oh. This man puts a lot of care in his coffee making.
I like my coffee. I'll wait till a little bit later. I'll be late on coffee today.
He probably drinks that coffee that comes out of the cat
It's-
feces.
It's. I think he uses.
Capybara. The capybara
I
comes out of a bat's poop.
thought that was the ones that come out of elephant poop. That's what I was gonna say.
Is that the elephant poop? Yeah, that's the
you,
elephant
you,
one.
you
Yeah.
have to wash the elephant poop off of the beans before you make it, right?
Mm-hmm. But it tastes so good. Tastes like seal poop.
Is that what it's roasted? Is that how it roasted? It's roasted that way.
Oh.
Oh, you ain't
Okay.
eating sweet beans, are you? Trying to make your own?
If you said what I thought you said, yeah, that's pretty funny.
Mhm. I have got absolutely nothing going on here.
I'm looking around at these charts, being like, poo, thinking the same thing, just poo, no good. Oh well, we'll see. They're gonna light. They're gonna light up here in a minute.
We'll see
Do
what
you want to
happens.
entertain breakout trades? News trade, maybe?
I don't know. You think it'll be that kind of?
It looks like it's setting up to be that kind of news, like a Fed type of announcement type thing. All this consolidation here. I'm gonna try the NQ on the news thing. I got a brand new. I got an account that I can try that with. I'll try the news NQ trade. Maybe I can grab $600 real quick. We'll see. I think it's I, I think I thought I put a cat. I think it's gonna work. I think you it'd probably be pretty darn good with this on the crude here. That will end up with being a actually. You know what? That actually will end up being a nice because of the tariff talk.
How about the break
Crude, yeah, crude might end up being
down?
CL might end up being a huge trade. Actually, I'm gonna look at that one. Let me find an account I want to be on for that. Well, it's not this one that I'm on, so just hold. Let's see. Let's see here. I'm actually gonna consider this with crude.
Break out short? What are you talking about?
If it just see if it reacts like a news trade because of the tariff thing, and if it does, I'm gonna take the news trade.
Breakout long.
Looks like they're trying to set up a news trade here. That would end up having to be along, wouldn't it?
Let's see.
Yeah, this is not trading it. Nope. I was ready, but did not do anything I thought it might be doing. Let's see here. I'm ready to go. I mean, if it breaks above this swing high here on crude, I'm gonna switch this account to the one I actually want to trade it on. If it breaks that swing high, I would look for the breakout on the long side, but it'd have to stay above that, close above it. Yeah, that
Right
didn't
now, I
match.
got
I
nothing.
totally could have made you coffee. You totally could have went and made you coffee.
Could have easily went and made my coffee. I may still go do it.
Plenty of time.
Yeah, you know what? Keep me out of doing something dumb. I'm gonna go make my coffee. Be right back.
Thank you very much. All right. Huh. Huh. The ES would just give me a decent little setup here. I'd take it on both the NQ and ES. And it's getting down here where I probably would start looking at it. Nah, not. Can't quite do anything yet with that. Don't think I can do the 6Es. Not just that's just garbage right now. No swings, no trade. And I can. Okay. To do some to-do stuffs. All right. See what we got around. Look around. Take a peeksy boo around here. Little peeksy boo. Okay, maybe we can start thinking about a long trade. On the ES and NQ here. And let's see.
All right. Does not appear like I missed much.
Nope. Oh.
Did 6E ever? Yeah, it looks like 6E might have. It's hard to take a long there.
Alright, that's something that needs to be addressed.
Some issues. All right.
Whole lot of nada, huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
Might try GC long one more time. Missed a nice little RTY long, but I was dealing with some crap just a second ago. Do you see what I just sent?
Yeah, I'm on it. I'm gonna start working on it.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Change the process just to make
All
it
right, we'll
easy.
do.
All right, thanks.
I see that. Yeah.
That's do you want to look at a short on the ES? This is not.
I mean, the NQ definitely looking like it's shortable. The ES.
You'd have to look at it like right now. Right now. I just whatever. I'll trade something else. Let's just trade something else. That's not. No, I'm not gonna. I don't want to get on this.
It's forcing it. That's not worth it.
That's not what we're about. We're not.
I mean, we'll just wait till we get a clean setup. If we get a clean setup, we'll see.
Yeah. I mean, again, I'll entertain a GC long.
Yeah, GC long if it comes down here. Sets up, yeah.
Very seriously entertaining thinking about a CL breakout of this low here or the high, because it should run if it breaks out of one of those two areas. Should run. I mean, if you break out of this little area, you've got all the way down to here. That's a decent little trade. Break out of up here, I mean, it's just gone at that point, right?
Pretty much.
GC's trending nicely. I'm expecting 89 really nice, so maybe we'll look at that in a second. Still can't touch the euro. I'd love to see a decent setup on the ES, and I'll take it on the ES and the NQ. But I mean, we really haven't had a decent set. I mean, you had that that long we tried that worked. And obviously things are turning over. We probably want to look for a short, but it's just ugly. Just ugly. UGLY, you ugly.
This is sit on hands territory.
And spin.
Yeah. Wow.
What?
Hmm?
Wow.
Wow. Not a dang thing going on. Nothing.
Yeah. Might even be best served. All right, listen. I mean, maybe we'll get up here and get a short out of the ES. Maybe we'll get something. I mean, again, I said I'd entertain that long on the CL, or GC. It's just not setting up the right way for me. It does have the wicks on the bottom. If you got an account big enough, that's a long on GC.
Yeah, but it's quite a stop though.
I know. Or you can go in above. This was high here, 47.2. Then you can go above like 47.
Well, look at that just shoot up.
Yeah. That's there you go. That's why this market's
Where did that
fun
come
to
from?
trade, huh?
Wow.
Fun stuff. Maybe a little short setting up.
Mm-hmm.
That's
what I'm thinking here.
You want to try to entertain it?
On the yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe below that. Yeah.
Somewhere like that.
Right about there.
Maybe a tick lower.
83. No, that's gonna break up. Never mind. Forget it. Forget it.
Yeah, never mind. All right, then the longs have it. That means we should probably be looking for a GC long.
Got to come down lower and set up, clean setup. Cool.
That was hard. It was hard to do. What'd you say cool about?
The message. Check your messages. Thank you, Gray.
Ah, sweet. You're the man. He's the man. He's the man. All right. Although, but I don't know about trading this though.
No,
Do we look for?
NQ's
Okay,
a
let's.
NQ's a breakout long.
I was about to say maybe we're getting up here. We can possibly think breakout territory.
I like to see it pull back a
You'd
little
have
bit.
to. Okay, so this support resistance. Blah blah blah. We have a good little turn here. I'm gonna put this level down here because this is definitely a level here. Right there's a good level. So right here, I mean, this is a good spot, Paul. If it breaks out of here, it's got room to run up. It may even be a breakout that turns into a gap fill, which would be beautiful. So I think we either look for the short up here or look for the breakout. Short's coming right now if you want to do it.
Or it's come real quick, like you gotta take it now.
Short's coming if you want the short. Well, there's a couple different spots you could take it at. You could take it below this wick, I guess. Or now that you got another little structure built there, you could take. Oh, come on, stop scooting over. You could have a sell stop in here. I mean, we know this is a good resistance area, and
I think it's gonna break out.
the breakout might be the way to go. I mean,
I was gonna say this is gonna go.
I think the breakout's the way to go here.
What's our
Go with the
Crable
breakout.
at?
Huh?
Crable, that was the Crable right there. We just broke out.
There it is. Target off.
We literally just broke out.
Yeah. Well, I said we probably look at. I couldn't get the NQ. NQ's probably gonna do the same thing too.
NQ.
If it breaks above the pivot on the NQ,
the pivot is the Crable there. So yeah, the pivot's the Crable. So today.
Exactly. I think I would entertain that on the NQ.
Yeah.
I tried to get that trade on, but oh, come on. You'd have a nice little buy stop here. If the NQ's, I'm gonna do the NQ as well.
Yeah, I like the NQ breakout.
I'm in the ES. I'm just trying to get all my stuff in order and switch to the right account. I got to target off and everything on the breakout, but it's gonna have another buy stop there. It looks like a little breakout on the top side. I don't know which one. Oh, there it is. That's gonna come get me flat, but got to target off. Not the worst trade on the planet, but you have a clear buy stop up here, and it's becoming a sell signal. So you got your option. I don't know if I'm in for the sell signal, but if you're not in this, a breakout above high here, 90 at 95 would be the thing. I think I need to go a tick tighter on that stop, but this is going to turn into a sell signal too. So if it breaks down below my stop, that's your sell. If it breaks above 95, that's your buy. That simple.
Pretty much.
And then if this
NQ is a buy at 69.75.
If it breaks this pivot, we should have a little bit of room to run on that as well. So I'd like to see a little bull flag there, or a failed. There you go. You'd be in that long. A failed short signal will put me. I'll put myself into that NQ with a failed short signal. All right, I'm gonna go a tick tighter on my ES stop just to pay for my lunch. Pay for my lunch. That sure does look like it wants to break out, though, doesn't it? Well, I mean, obviously you want to see the pullback, right? At this point, a pullback on a lower tick chart, Paul, I'll buy it.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, the lower tick chart right now, too.
Let's think about this GC as well.
Oh,
that's setting up really nicely.
GC setting up nice.
That's setting up really nicely.
Buy above 31
for buy above 31. I mean, if that turns around and goes, even a small tick chart setting up in a nice little. All right, I'm not gonna give that too much.
I'm in.
I'm not gonna give it too much play.
I'm in. Target off quick.
I'm trying to get my target now. Go get my
I
target.
got my target off right as I got in.
Reduce that risk.
Now run, you little. There you go.
Run, baby, run. Now you can run. Go on, get. Okay, that was at 115.
Boy, that was super quick.
115.
Super quick.
Super quick. Super quick. No, don't come get me. Ah, you turkey.
Yeah, I didn't give it a lot of room because I didn't want it to come back on me.
Any room. So I'm down 100 on that trade. If I'd left my original stop, it'd be green. My original target, though. I still like the GC long. I still like it.
If it doesn't break this low here, I'm gonna put it back on again.
I'm gonna go one more tick to be break even on my ES.
Here comes that breakout on NQ. I think that NQ is gonna break.
Well, that's if that happens above the pivot. Again, like I said, I'm gonna take that long.
I've got a long up there above the pivot waiting. I think it'll break out because that's the Crable. I think it'll break.
Where do I put it?
69.75. It's about to happen.
I'll go 70.
I think if it goes, it's just gonna rocket.
It'll go. Pew, pew. There's that GC long too. I told you I still like it.
Shoot, I wasn't looking.
I told you I still like it.
I can't get in. I can't
I should
chase
have
it.
just got back in at the same field price. So I should.
Yeah, I should have got right back in. I can't chase it.
Especially with that wick. No, I'm not chasing
Like
now.
to, though.
That was a pretty little trade. That was a pretty one. They just went down and took the stops, and they're gonna take off without us. Boogie pants. That's gonna be a good one too. Boogie pants is what I said. So
Boogie pants.
boogie pants. Let's see. Official
Better than a
trading
rat bag.
for Palter. Man, I wish I'd gotten back in that GC. I even said I still like it too.
Look at that thing go without us. I couldn't chase it though. Well, is what it is. Tis what it is.
Oh yeah, I forgot to put this.
Think he's winding up, man. There it goes. Boom.
All right, let's see.
See what happens.
My stop too tight.
Oh, I didn't think so too. Yes.
Oh, let's see.
Oh no! Go,
Probably should
go,
put a
go,
stop
baby.
up here.
There you go. There you go.
Put a stop at like, let's see, 45.75 is probably the real. Yeah, that was stupid. That was a bite.
A little too tight. Too tight on the stop.
45.75 is a stop. Yeah, that was. I couldn't get it moved fast enough, but it's still a trade. That should be a long trade. I'm just not gonna trade that.
I think it is. I think it's a long.
No, it's ES is going, so I need to move my stop on the ES a little bit. I don't have that. I'm trying to figure out if I have that ES long on my record. I'm trying to record it for. What time did that happen?
Here goes. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Got it.
Told you.
Other one. Got it on the other one. Got him. All right, let's just do it like this. Let's go. What time was that? Oh my goodness, my target's gonna get hit on the ES here. Stop up to 95.50, and then let's find a target for this thing. Okay, back up here somewhere, close to the pivot.
Just pull back to the pivot on the NQ. If it holds,
Should. Oh well, I missed that ES one. There we go. Let's see if we can find a NQ target. Up here, obviously, would be a good target. I think somewhere in there would be a good target. Even this. Oh man, if if this fills the gap, man, that's gonna be fun.
oh yeah, didn't
That would
think
be
about that.
that would be
Did not.
the bee's knees.
The
I'm
bee's
tempted to.
knees.
I'm literally like tempted to push this target a little looser. Even though that
Yeah,
should be
you
a
might want to
good.
give that some room.
It should be a good target for both, but looking at the NQ, it's coming to that last rally up on the Globex. A break of that means most likely the gap fill, and the ES kind of already stayed above that rally up on. We probably should be a tick or two tighter on the
Oh,
stop here.
don't want to break below
Yeah,
that.
let's
Do
go
not
a
want to
little
break below that.
tick tighter on the stop here. It's 96.50.
Come on, hold. If this pivot can hold, we're in good shape.
Huh? Oh, it's
On
already
the
flat
NQ.
again. I made money on that one. Now you kind of have to use this little low here that was made on the ES as your stop. So 97.25. $119. I'll just say $119. That's long. It's close enough.
Yeah, it's just gonna go again.
I'm trying to decide if I want to try that again.
Man, double top now. I don't know.
It's actually a sell signal.
It is a sell signal.
If you go below that wick there, below the pivot, that's a sell
Mm-hmm.
signal. There you go, flat.
I didn't hold. Go, baby.
Do you want to do that sell signal? Did you do it?
Yeah, I did it. I tried it.
Okay. I just didn't quite have myself convinced on it, but there it is. I mean, that big tick
Target's
chart
off.
don't lie, buddy. Big tick charts
Target's
don't
off.
lie.
Hard to get this R off. Yeah, that was, I couldn't resist. I mean, it's as far up there, and if it fails the pivot, below the pivot, I figured, what the heck? Worth a shot. Now this holds here on this pivot.
That's a
We're going to
buy.
continue to go up. Yeah, it's going to continue to go up. If you can't fail the pivot, buy.
I know. That's almost you might want to think
Like,
about getting back
just
in.
buy it. And yeah, I'm thinking the same thing. I'm flat on the short, so thinking about just getting right back in. Almost have to.
Yeah.
There it goes. Target's off.
Trying to find an account I want to do it with.
Target's off. Now I'm in. Let's see if this thing will break.
Oh gosh, I'm not gonna FOMO with you, but I am gonna.
Yeah,
FOMO
don't
with Kent
FOMO
with you.
now. You had to catch it just above that candle in the smaller tick chart. Because this could just be another triple top here. Yeah. Go around. Get my mind off the NQ. Look somewhere else. That long on 6E would have worked. Back at the VWAP too.
Yeah.
It was good.
Like get that up
Hard
to
to take
a
that.
short area is what I think.
Mm-hmm.
GC's got another long coming up.
Yeah.
Still can't touch CL. Oof.
Now CL's ugly.
I love CL. Well, I mean, that's pretty good. Got a couple good trades in.
Yeah. I'm
I mean, I got
decently green this morning.
I got
Say it's
that one loser and then a mismanagement on the target of my. I don't really call that GC a loss, even though it is down $100. It's just a mismanagement of the target.
yeah.
That would have been a winning trade if I hadn't messed my target up.
Or we should have just got right back in.
That would have been the deal. That would have been the deal. This is a long still on GC. I'm just not gonna do it right now. So, I mean, I got this one account with 100 red, and then I have to get my copied accounts traded.
Oh,
That's about it.
there it goes.
I mean,
There she goes.
Oh, here's.
Come on, NQ, go.
All right. Now this will be a little breakout area itself.
Oh, GC long thing.
What's that? Yeah.
It did set up, but it didn't really set up though. Yeah, I guess it would have. Actually, it did.
It was pretty decent. It just didn't quite get over sold, but it was a pretty decent little couple wicks down here.
Would have liked it a little cleaner setup.
I think somebody put my email in those spammy car insurance things. So I'm getting car insurance things all the time now.
That and car warranty. There you go.
You want a car warrant? You need some car insurance. What you need is save yourself. All right, where we're gonna go with this again? What is it? You want nowhere. You're still in the NQ long?
I'm still in the NQ long, yes.
Look at you. Wish I'd figured out a way to get in that.
But I don't know.
I couldn't figure it out.
Come on back. Come on back.
I mean, it's not a bad day. I'm 330 in one, $50 in another.
Yeah, me too. It's like I'm
400 in
green.
another.
Not a bragging
that
day,
one
but it's
account that's really down. I have one account that's down. That's about it.
Yeah, I got one account that's down $58. I think I can live with that.
Oh well, that's the GC one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I'm talking about that loser I took on the NQ by not managing my stop the right way. It would have been a winner. I just pulled my stop down below this here. It would have been perfectly fine. I took it though. That is okay. I am not that concerned about that. It's a little double top here on the ES. I don't know if we want to entertain that.
Oof, scary.
It never did finish breaking out. I mean, it should have broken out and ran, and didn't do that. usually when that happens, I'm just like, I'm not gonna try that breakout again. I don't like doing the breakout after it doesn't do what it's supposed to do, you know.
Yeah, that's scary.
And you're getting a breakout, a bigger W breakout on GC now. Do you take that trade with a specific risk? I don't know. I wouldn't do it. I don't think I'm gonna do it. I think I gotta be honest with you. I think we should just go into break.
Probably a good time for it.
Let these things pull back. I mean, if people want to trade, I'm not gonna trade this account anymore. I'm gonna take this ES off that account. I'm not gonna trade it. I'll probably try to. Let's see. I got this. Let's see what number that is. I'll do this account. I'll trade this one with that. The one that's up $50. Try to get that one. A little bit more juice when we come back from break, but that's about. And the one that's down $50. Try to get one of those two a little bit of juice. Let's go on break. Let's do break.
Okay, let's do that.
All right.
Be back.
Be back. Break time. Hey guys. Alright, I'm back. Oh, there was that CL long finally made out. Or no, that was the original one. Hard to get anything in GC there. Might be getting my 6E short that I'm looking for. There's a ES short. Maybe a second chance on that.
Volatility while we were gone.
Little fun stuff happening. Oh, yep, nope. Yeah, you get nothing else.
They're gone. Let's move.
Yeah, not the end of the world. Maybe get a little double top here. Alright, let's look at this. I'll possibly think about this. Double top on the NQ as well. That's a thought right there. Break below. Let's see what this chart looks like real quick. What do you think? Yeah, that's a pretty strong level. I think it's a pretty strong level right here at the ES as well. You might even be better off to be looking at a long. It's trying to make a double top though, isn't it? You would have thought though, if it got up here, it would have stayed up, and it didn't do it. So that's kind of interesting too. Well, I mean, I guess if you really want to try to get the short though, you could do it below this wick now instead of the midpoint. Yeah. You really thought that was going to turn around now. It doesn't look like it wants to though. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think it's a thing.
You're not selling me on that one.
I don't think it's a thing. Well, we said, break it. Oh yeah, that's what I was saying. That long would work nice. You just had to grind through it. I said that before you got back. You just had to grind through that thing. It'd be a grind. Somebody, can somebody help red wine out, please?
What's red wine?
What do you need help with, red wine? How do I get some trader to respond to me? You can also you can do general chat, or try to get somebody to go into.
Oh yeah, or go into the.
See if somebody go into the member hangout with you.
That's a member hangout.
Yeah. If not, you'll get a call back later. Still trying to set that short up, isn't it?
Yeah, it's looking like it.
I'm not gonna touch it.
Like a little higher though.
I'm not gonna touch it. I am interested in this 6E now. Finally.
Now? The short was 9.45.
Well,
I mean the long, excuse me.
I'm not talking about a long. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Did you already miss your short? What are you talking about below this midpoint of this kind of?
That big little M I'm talking about. Yeah. I'm at the same one I always use, 500. I'm thinking about this little breakout down here. Yeah. Low. It should have gotten it back here. That's where the short shift came from.
Right, that's why I said you should have got it up there.
Miss that, but I would still entertain this because there's a ways this could go down. If it breaks this little support here, that's actually a real well, both of these are real levels. But if it breaks there, your R2 in the sides, I mean, there's a good way it could run down. Really good ways.
Scroll off on YouTube.
Huh?
The scroll on YouTube.
Turn back on the volume too.
Yeah. Since we're back.
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna put it in. I'm putting that sell stop in.
I'll do it with you. I'm not opposed to that. So right below, what is that?
570 was that low? 565 was that low? We should probably just get in it, but I'm gonna put it in at 565 there. Let's make sure.
565, 560.
It should really be 560, but it's moving. I'll just take a set risk on it, whatever my stops at. Although this is gonna be a winning trade, just late. We're just late on it. It's gonna be a winning trade. Risk what you want to risk. I'll risk. Double top. I'll put my stop up here because I'm like really confident in that. Really, really confident in it. Well, and this long's coming back about. Keeps trying to do it, doesn't it?
Hard to.
I know. I don't want to keep doing the breakout trades, but it finally broke up, stayed up finally. It's not gonna go in the best way possible, but it's a long. I mean, there's a long. I'll tell you what, I would entertain. The only breakout I'd entertain now is just something above this last rally this morning. Entertain that. Oh, I mean, we could look at it short. There's an RTY short setting up. If that's something you're game to look at. Say not a bad setup there on RTY either.
RTY is so strong on the upside though, right there. You know what though? Oh, actually, nice little trend line right there too.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 touch, 4 touch,
trend line.
4 touch trend line on that RTY. So a break of that would be the perfect setup.
For short.
I don't.
And it's
Yeah, actually, I'm okay with that actually.
Coming off a level here. Look at this. That's definitely a level. A playable level. All right, you convinced me. Take a stab at that guy. Now, that set's even better. Yeah, now that set's even better. Somewhere like there is a stop. So what's that low is 77.7, so 77.6.
77.6.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in at 77.6. See what happens.
See what happens.
It was an ES and Q short, but that was not an easy one to get into. It wasn't a good setup.
Oh shoot, we're in the 6E.
Are we?
Oh, I'm in the 6.
I told you 565 was the sell stop.
Well, I got in at 590 for some reason.
Because you front ran it. No, 565.
How did I front? But I didn't. I did 565. That's where I put it.
Why would I put you in at 590 then? That doesn't make any sense.
Did I move it? Did I subconsciously move it?
Accidentally moved it.
Yeah.
Trying to get in front of it.
No, I wasn't trying to get in front of it. I was gonna. Oh,
I mean, like your subconscious was trying to get in front of it.
Not too much of a risk.
You're so used to trying to get into those. There's your RTY. 2 hours and 2 hours 29 minutes. If it maybe it goes a little bit further. Maybe a little winner on RTY. 2 hours 29 minutes. Short on that. All right, R2Y. You can go on down there and give me some moolah.
Okay, I like that.
I only really have one
there we go.
left. Yeah, this one might be a decent one. I could jump all the way down to here probably. I'm gonna move my target down a little bit.
Yeah, I'm just did the same thing. I just moved it out of the way. Where's your stop at?
I'm gonna bring the stop to real break even here at 77.6 and just leave it there for a minute and let it go do its thing.
Okay.
Be interested in looking at the long coming up here on the ES. It's just that ES has not been pretty today. It hasn't been a super. There's been a couple good setups. I mean, obviously the short back here before 10 a.m. That long we got was a good long. But looking back, I mean, there's some setups, but after 10, there hasn't been really anything super. That wouldn't be clean. That wouldn't be clean. I don't think that would be clean. A short double top. We thought about doing that. And then we were on break, so we probably a couple of those were clean setups. We could probably got looked at. All right, RTY, keep going. Keep on going. No, I want to go up. I'm at all-time highs. I want to go to all-time highs again. I got to fill this gap completely. Something like that. It is a level, though. It's a level.
Come on, fail right here.
Level. All right. Are we entertaining the ES or NQ longs?
Oh, not a long one NQ for me right here. Well, no.
Are you sure?
I mean,
ES looks like it's
Just
trying to
pull-
set up here for
Pull
the
back.
long.
Yeah. Yeah, ES is giving you a long setup.
So I think I might try that on the NQ as well.
Where's your entry? Right there above that wick.
I would
What is
think
that,
so.
88.5?
Yeah, I would think that would be it.
And then NQ would have to be.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm not a fan of the
88.50.
NQ right here, but
It'd have to, yeah. But if it busts that, never mind.
never mind.
Yeah.
As I say, it doesn't. I wasn't a fan of that right there.
It's not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it.
All right, there goes RTY.
All right,
Move
now we
this
have to
down a
wait.
little bit.
We have to wait for all the way back down here for a long or something on the ES and NQ. Come on, RTY. Good job.
It's trying.
There's a high of this week now at where's the now I got a new bar, so that's high of 77 even, so we could go to a couple more ticks down, like 77.2 or 1.
About 77.1.
Yeah, that's about the best we could do with that right now.
Or 77.2. I guess it doesn't matter. 77.1 still above those wicks. See what happens.
Yeah, I mean, that's about the best. I mean, I'm not going to do anything else with it until it moves further. I still think you might be getting along off the ES and NQ here. This will be the last spot you're going to look at in the ES.
I think a fail here. It's coming down to VWAP. It's got a ways to run. Back down to that lower swing below on the NQ.
79.50.
On the ES.
Somewhere around 79.50. Well, that's where I'd look for my next long. Somewhere around 79.50 if I wanted to entertain this one. It doesn't look like I want to entertain this.
Go RTY. Can we go above that R1 there now?
Go RTY.
On RTY.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Go RTY.
Like 76.
It's your birthday. Hold on. Let me look. I think
that really broke through.
I think that's still a little tight.
Yeah, it hasn't broke through. I thought it broke.
This bar's got to finish. Well, this bar finishes.
Yeah. If it finishes down, we can move it up, move it down.
Yeah. Either way it finishes, stops going down some. I'm telling you, that's still maybe a long coming out of here.
I think I need to just close this 60 out and take the loss.
Still maybe a long coming out of there. Oh yeah, I was gonna tell you, I would have gotten right out of that if I did what you did. Golly, it's tempting to look at this ES long, man. That is very tempting to look at.
The longs.
Very tempting. Very tempting to look at.
Let it come back down here and test it again. If it doesn't break through, then I would definitely be all over that.
Yeah. I'll do the ES as well. I mean, I'll do the NQ as well.
Let it come back down. Come back down and test that bottom again. Come on down.
Yeah, 40 ticks left on that. Maybe do it. Yeah, if it does. Okay. I mean,
you know what I'm saying, right? Come down, test it again. If maybe another wick down there, and then pull up. Now you got a decent, kind of like a little W there.
Anything. Well, it kind of turned into inverse head and shoulders if it stays where it's at too.
That too.
I did it. Yeah. Okay. All right. I'll entertain that. That's it. Yeah. Let's see if I got an account I want to do that with. Let me see if I have an account that I want to do that with. Oh, I don't see one yet. I don't want to do my cash on that.
I got to do it on a PA. I don't have anything else to trade.
I don't think I'll do it with the PA, to be honest with you. Don't think I'd do that with the PA. You got the new candle here on RTY. We probably should go down a couple more ticks with this. What's that high there?
It's gonna take us though.
76.3. Yeah, but
nah.
Should have pulled it all the way down.
That's fine.
About the best we can do.
Oh, there's my entrance. Boom.
It might be a little tight, but whatever.
There it is. Target's off.
Holy cow! Yes, and NQ.
That was quick. I didn't take the NQ.
Fast.
I mean, it did exactly what, come down and tested it again, so
did what you
it was
wanted.
legit.
Gave you a little price
yeah.
there.
It was legit. 'Twas legit.
Too legit.
All right, keep going. That's in a
It was
PA,
too
so that can
legit.
run. Feel free to run anywhere you want to.
I did it on the account the only account that I could even spare one was the one I had that loser on this morning. So there we go.
Feel free
That's the only one I was
to
willing to
move
do it
around.
on, and I wasn't supposed to do that, but it is what it is. That's the one I took that loss on the NQ with. So now I get some of that back. That's the only account that I had that I really wanted to risk it on. I'm trying to
Or red wine. Oh.
take that flat. No, I still did the wrong account. At least it made money. It doesn't make any sense though.
Hold on, let me answer this phone call.
Help red wine out, please. If that's him calling. Well, that was a. Red wine. I'll call you later. You guys need to be using the member hangout. Those are that's a good resource. I don't know why you guys aren't using member hangout. When we're not in here, you guys should be in the member hangout. You guys gonna go to the member hangout? We're back. Anybody going to member hangout today? Nobody? Pretty easy trading day, guys. We stayed away from some dumb stuff. I think we did some good stuff. And step away for just a second.
All right. Is it long on ES? Nah. Oh, look at this gold go. Jeez. Holy smokes. It's off to the races. Off to the moon. What do you think about a short here? It's kind of two-way trading on the ES and the NQ.
Yeah, I would look at that.
If it sets up.
Yeah, I need to think about lunch too at some point. It looks
Oh,
like
is
it's
it
setting
lunchtime
up.
already?
Looks like it's trying to set up.
Mm-hmm. Just below that candle. What is that? Yeah, I'm gonna try that. There you go. Boom.
Yeah,
Caught me
number.
right
Okay, there
away.
you go.
Okay. Well, didn't give me much more
See
than
how
I
you're
don't think
playing
it's gonna give me.
today there.
It's like instant targets every time I get in. It's like instant
That's
target.
scary. That's scary. That's not something that I'm like, oh yeah, that's cool.
Uh-uh. I mean, it's
No,
like I
don't want
literally
anything to
put
do
the
with that.
sell stop in there and it was like target filled.
I don't want anything to do with that stuff. That was too fast. Too furious. Too fast. Too
Okay,
furious.
well, that was a scalp.
It may
Starbucks
be lunch.
scalp.
It may be my lunchtime.
Let's see what we got here.
Give me a little bigger M here, maybe. It is two-way trading. Don't get me. Oh, GC.
I know, right? That thing's just gone.
Man.
Oh, you did get a sell.
Yeah. Look at the RTY short again. I don't know. That 6E didn't make out.
No, 60 was.
It was a bust for you, but you just
pisser.
you put your stop in the wrong spot. That's on you, not me, bro.
I don't know. I didn't put it there. I don't know what I did. Honestly, I can't tell you.
There's a bigger M forming on the smaller tick charts. It's not like we're really got a bias to up or down here.
No, it's two-way trading right now. You could do either way, I think. It'd be okay.
I just don't think.
You serious? You want to go out now? The time is terrible, dog. Come here, baby. What are you doing?
I just realized I don't have any food. I gotta go get me some food.
Did you ever get the peanut butter burger? You didn't get it last week, did you?
Yeah, I got it. I got it on Friday night. It's not a peanut butter burger. It's just a regular hamburger. Sometimes you can put peanut butter on it.
I call it a peanut butter burger.
Well, it's not a peanut butter burger. That was a nice
well, it
little
is.
GC. I mean, you can put peanut butter on it.
It is if you put peanut butter on it. It's a peanut butter burger.
It definitely is a peanut butter burger if you put peanut butter on it.
It's a peanut butter burger, isn't it? Pixie, I bet you'd eat a peanut butter burger, wouldn't you?
Tick squeak. I got the regular version. I got the good old fashioned trucker version. American, just straight up lettuce, tomato, onion, mayonnaise. The good stuff. Cheese.
All right, I know you gotta go.
Egg. I got an egg on it.
Ooh, that's my favorite. Egg, bacon, cheddar. Yeah. Cheddar.
Good little cheddar.
Nothing like a bacon egg. You know, the Ted's makes a good. Their Canyon burgers like that, and they put that raspberry jam sauce on it.
Grill.
Yeah.
You know, there's not any of those down here. It's crazy.
They make a great bison burger with an egg, fried egg. It's good.
All right. Do we want to look at the RTY short? Yes or no? If not, I'll go get some lunch.
I'm not a super fan of it. I'd rather, what is it, 12 o'clock? I'd rather come back after 1 and just trade the afternoon.
Let's do that.
I mean, I just don't think there's any sit around here and force trades. I've been a decent morning.
Let's do that. I need to go. I need some lunch anyway. I got.
Yeah, let's just take a break again.
All right. Let's do that and then come back after lunch.
We're here all day, so there's no sense forcing trades.
Well, I mean, again, this is a bigger M on the ES, so it's bigger M on the NQ. It's sell signal on the RTY.
I mean, it's two-way trading on the ES and the NQ if you want to do that.
And I need to get something to eat, so let's. Tempted to look at this on the ES, but it's not the best setup. It's not the best setup. We'll probably get a better one later. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk any more money. I've had a good morning, so I just need. One account I want to trade, and every single one of these charts is on that one account that's copied to my other account. So I'm gonna wait for the A+ setup on the other ones. So that's it. Yeah. So there's no reason for me to do this. I mean, it looks like a valid short, but I need some food. So.
Okay. I'm game.
Oh. Yeah.
I can live with that. I don't see anything else. I'm looking around. I don't see that short on GC would have been nice. Too late for that. EL is
Yeah, and I
nothing
could
really.
do that. I mean, and again, the ES is trying to sit up here, this little ledge. Just you'd be in it now, so too late on that. I mean, we got the targets off.
Again, it's
This is
two-way trading,
it's not.
so
Yeah, I mean, it's a valid setup.
it's
The only one I entertain is RTY, but it's not setting up the way I want to, unless it turns around now. Let's just go to lunch. Let's do what we were originally saying. Let's go to lunch. Come back later.
okay.
Yeah, let's go to lunch. I've got to eat some food.